Hello everyone, today I have an exercise for you to work on improving your crosses technique and balance. If you don't know how to do an Urban Kiz cross, you can check out our tutorials over here. But if you know how to do this, then this video is for you. Hopefully it will help you. So a cross is when we cross with our legs and go out, right? And this can be done forwards and backwards. And from both legs, from both sides, right? So that's great, but to work on improving your balance, a practice that I do quite often is that I keep doing a cross one after the other as fast as I can, while I try to keep my torso straight and to keep my balance, to be straight with everything, right? So what I do is, for example, I might start from this side and I go backwards and I keep doing crosses. 1, 2, 3. And going forwards, 1, 2, 3. Out, right? And from the other side, you can do the same. Going backwards, 1, 2, 3 crosses, and going forwards, 1, 2, 3, right? So that's great, but I'm doing this quite slow now, right? First, you should start doing this slow while trying to pay attention to your torso, to the top part of your body, to keep straight while you do this and to not lose your balance. Yes, that's the most important. But then, when you get the hang of this, you should try to do this faster. So the faster you do it, the harder it becomes, because it's harder to keep your balance and the shifting of the weight of the legs. So for example, if I start from here, I might go like this. 1, 2, 3. And for example, from this side, if I want to go forwards, it can be as fast as this. 1, 2, 3, and out, right? So you can maybe do this faster than this, maybe slower, but first, try to do this slow and build it up slowly to make it faster, while making sure that you are straight while you do this. I'm going to do this from this side as well. 1, 2, 3. Yes? So I'm just keep doing a cross. I'm not doing anything else. I just keep crossing out, crossing out, crossing out, right? So first slow, then faster and faster and faster without hitting stuff around you, so be careful about this, right? And the faster you can do this, the better hopefully your balance and your technique will be, because it's a hard move. There's a weight shifting of the legs, and this exercise can hopefully help you to have a better balance and technique when you do crosses. Yeah, hopefully I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I will see you next time.